Radixrs, welcome to our Financial Facts channel. We Radixrs will give you some valuable tips and tricks on how you can make yourself financially independent regardless of what you earn now and where you live now. Today we are going to discuss about financial plan and what is financial portfolio. All wealthy people will have good financial plan and most of the time they will keep track record of it, whereas poor don't document it, they just keep what they can hold in their mind. Here is a sample representation of the balance sheet as Robert Kiyosaki mentioned in one of his book. This is how the poor people balance sheet look like. The poor people only source of income is salary. They don't save anything from their salary. It will go as an expenses and they don't build their asset. Middle class people's source of income is only salary and mostly they don't keep any savings and they will spend income and they just increase their liability like car loan, home loan, credit card bill, EMIs, etc. Rich people will have several sources of income like rental income, stock, dividend, bond, interest and royalties. Their income directly goes to the asset, so the asset will keep on increasing. They used to spend only their interest. Now let us see about financial portfolio. Like I mentioned before, rich people will have multiple sources of income. Here is some of the portfolio example how wealthy people maintain their asset. In this diagram, blue represents stock, red represents foreign stock, green represents real estate, purple represents bond, sky blue represents cash. Mostly in young age, wealthy people choose aggressive portfolio where they invest more on stock and less on other asset. Because in young age, risk-taking ability is more. Age between 50s and 60, wealthy people choose moderate portfolio to balance their risk. Age after 60s, wealthy people choose conservative portfolio because when getting older, they will lower their risk. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we can discuss more about what is stock and what is bond and what is EFT. Make sure to like and subscribe.